Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Sahil Shankar Sonar and we are here to present you the micro project of subject emerging trends in mechanical engineering.
My name is Ganesh Balaji Shinde. I am from Zeal Polytechnic, third year mechanical branch.
Hello, my name is Anmol Shyam Singh. I am from Zeal Polytechnic, third year mechanical branch.
Hello everyone, my name is Mukesh Shivraj Pedde from Zeal Polytechnic, third year mechanical branch. We are here to present you a project. Topic of our project is study and analyze the safety systems used in modern vehicles. The guides of our project are Professor Ajinkya Dawale. This PPT contains introduction, classification of safety systems, types of active systems, types of passive systems, and conclusion. Let's start with the introduction. Automobile safety is the study and practice of design, construction, equipment, and regulation to minimize the occurrence and consequences of traffic collision. However, automobile accidents have still been the leading cause of injuries and death in most countries. The purpose of this project was to evaluate the educational level of the WPI community on automobile safety devices and develop an interactive medium through which visitors can establish a better understanding of the technology. Safety systems are classified into two main types. First one is active system and second one is passive system. Active system includes set of safety features which reduce the chances of an accident or collision in the first place. Some manufacturers also call it as the primary safety system. These systems activate before the accident takes place so that they could possibly avoid the accident. A passive safety feature is a system that does not do any work until it is called to action. These features become active during an accident and work to minimize damage and reduce the risk of injury during the time of impact. These devices automatically deploy when the car gets into a crash.
Active systems: the anti-lock braking system, anti-collision system, adaptive cruise control system, electronic stability control. Electronic stability control. An electronic stability control coordinates the ABS traction control and how much a car rocks side to side. The individual systems are combined in an effort to reduce tire spinning, skidding, and tractionless cornering, keeping the tires in maximum contact with the road. ECS is built on top of anti-lock brake system, and all ECS equipped vehicles are fitted with traction control. ECS components include a yaw rate sensor, a lateral acceleration sensor, steering wheel sensor, and upgraded integrated control system. Adaptive Cruise Control System. Adaptive Cruise Control System (ACC) is system designed to help vehicles maintain a safe following distance and stay within the speed limit. This system adjusts a car speed automatically so drivers don't have to. Modern cruise control goes beyond just maintaining a constant speed. Adaptive Cruise Control (ACC) is an active safety system that automatically controls the acceleration or braking of vehicle. It is activated through a button on the steering wheel and cancelled by the driver's braking and or another button. Anti-collision system. An automated vehicle anti-collision system is an automobile safety system which prevents collision among cars and objects automatically. If somehow driver fails avoiding the collision, this system will automatically stop the vehicle as it monitors the condition of the vehicle continuously. So this is the diagram of anti-collision system. The anti-lock braking system. The anti-lock braking system is a safety system designed to prevent the wheels of motor vehicle from locking up while braking. It utilizes the engine control unit (ECU) along with the sensor in each wheel to detect and decide when to apply anti-lock brake to wheel. So this is the diagram of anti-lock braking system. Passive systems: seatbelt system, airbag system, and crumple zone. Seatbelt system. The seatbelt system was chosen for its importance in automobile safety despite its simplicity. The seatbelt has become one of oldest automobile safety devices that are still used today. The airbag system. The effective of airbag in automobile collision has made this technology a standard in all modern vehicles produced today. It minimizes the risks of fatal injury during an automobile accident. Crumple zone. Crumple zone function to distribute energy from a collision away from occupants. They were significant development in preventing serious injuries to occupants during collision. Lightweight plastic used in front of vehicles can absorb energy from impact by creating crumple zone. The main disadvantage of crumple zone design in cars is they greatly increase the cost of repairs after collision. And last, conclusion. We concluded the safety system are essential for vehicle. The purpose of this project was to evaluate the educational level of automobile safety system devices used in vehicles to reduce the percentage of accidents and its harm safety system use. Thank you.